Okay, so I got a pad on each point for all four sides, and this baby is ready to go up in the air. That's how she feels about it. Let's see how my lift feels about it. All right, we're up in the air, guys. There you have it. I don't want to go too high. First time it is like a little bit more to the front, but I'm fine. Shocks, a lot of freaking salt back here. So we're gonna get this baby all washed up and cleaned up several times. All this shit, we don't even know what the hell this is all. What is all this shit? It's like rocks all over. It's cool, it's cool. And underneath, it's all covered up. But we are gonna open this covers up, couple of covers up, and we're gonna look down here and see how it looks down here. There's our calipers. And we should be able to do a lot of maintenance on this baby. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off the wheels. But look at the tires on this baby. Look at the tires. They're gone, they're shot. That means I'm gonna have to check the suspension, get alignment done. I don't know what happened with this guy. I don't know why his tires are shot. So you can put some greasing into this baby. It is known to squeak. So right here where we are. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lubricate this. We're gonna check for plays or anything like that. We're gonna check the lower ball joints and upper ball joints. So what I usually do is I usually go to my mess in here and I go and use my pry bar to check the joints here. So whoop, this is shot. This ball joint here is shot. This ball joint is shot. So we're gonna have to get this control arm. It is not gonna be fun to do. It's not gonna be. There you go. I can feel play in here. I can feel it. I can feel it in here. Okay, I'm gonna check the bottom one here. Bottom one's gonna be something different to check. So it's most likely the top one is shot. And I definitely heard the noise coming from right here. Definitely heard the noise. Okay, there you go. Bad freaking, and it's not gonna be fun to do this. We're gonna have to remove this whole strut base here, because remember that bolt. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna call Tesla up, see if they cover me under warranty, which I doubt. Definitely bad control arm here. So let's go on the opposite side. So there's gonna be no lubrication in there. We're not gonna lube nothing up there. You see that? This side's fine. This side is fine. And I hear the noise from exactly from that side. Woo! I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about this. Okay. What I want to do is at the same time while I'm doing this, I'm going to look down below to see the bottom. I'm sorry, bear with me guys here. So I'm going to check the bottom out too while we're doing that. So it's most likely up there. Okay. I don't see nothing moving down here. So we got our sulfur bad. Yep. If I put my finger here and I do that, I can feel a bounce in here. So that's what it is. There's no greasing, no nothing in this baby. It's gonna need a replacement. This is definitely gonna need a replacement. Shouldn't be a big deal, but long as Tesla can cover us, good. If Tesla can't cover us, we'll get ourselves a control arm. We'll bring that base down because they got a couple of bolts. The whole strut assembly should come down. And we'll do a little bit of dismantling here. That's fun. Good for us to do. Anyway, guys, there you have it. But usually what I use is I have this needle here, okay? If you guys ever want to grease anything, this is the needle with the grease gun. I usually throw some greasing in there, and that takes care of that. And I might do that for meanwhile. And you know what? Let me do my tires first, because I got tires to do, and then we'll get back to that. So we actually narrowed it down to exactly what we need here. Control arm failed on this baby, 40,000 miles. On it, and it's gonna come out, but I really wasn't expecting that baby to drop like that hard. But there you go. These are like a 21 millimeter, and we're gonna get these babies off. Okay, once we have the cap off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here. This is a 21 millimeter. Bada bing. I'm gonna have to get some wheel locks for this baby. Definitely gonna need wheel locks. Live in the city, people just steal your cars. Okay, so we're in here, and it's a Tesla baby right here. So we're gonna use our needle to grease this side, this side. It will take time for the greasing to travel everywhere. You can also put a fitting here as diesel, but I use my tactic here. So what we're gonna do here is, first, we're gonna spray some of this cleaner here, wipe it down. That's all you need to do. That's just a parts cleaner. Now I wanna get my grease gun with the needle, and we're gonna poke this baby, and we're gonna fill it up with the greasing. You don't have to put a lot. Even though we are gonna be changing this control arm, and we're gonna try to get the Tesla to do it, but if they don't do it, that's even better. I'd rather do it myself. So we're gonna clean this baby up from the front. Just clean the needle up. Good practice. Cleaning is a good practice. Just like when you go to a doctor, they wipe you down with what is that? Alcoholic pad. So what we're gonna do is, if you got two people with you, just get help. Poke this baby in here. Just like that, and then my gun, I'm gonna just squeeze, and slowly, you see how my grease started coming from the tip? We don't want it from the tip, so if I do too much pressure, we'll just start to shoot from right there. So I'm gonna pack this baby up. That was like a half a pump, quarter of a pump. Okay, I like that. There you go, I'm gonna leave it there. Gonna go to the opposite side. Gonna do the same thing. So again, greasing will take time to maneuver it around, but what I want you guys to do is at least get an idea. This is how I use this to figure out at least where the problem was at, so we know where the problem was at least. So there you go. We put grease in this Tesla ball joint, control arm ball joint. I'm just trying to put my grease gun back to this side here somewhere. And I will be right back with you guys in a moment. There you have it. And what I like to do here is, next up, clean this up. Clean this up. The greasing will find its way to where it needs to go, but it'd be best if you grease it right from the tip here. So you might have to figure out how to get the greasing in there. If it doesn't have a fitting there, you can put a fitting there if you like. But before we go, what I like to do here is, a lot of people will complain, little bit of silicone right on the holes. Bada bing, bada boom, we're all done. That greasing will eliminate that sound. That doesn't mean it's fixed, okay guys? That does not mean it's fixed. And we're gonna replace this piece. I can clearly feel the play in this guy. There you go. See that? This baby is bad. Definitely bad. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video.